Let's get the rest of the team back. Who are we missing?
Sorry, guys. I saw his archer go in, and I'm like, what's the harm, you know? You have to record, bro. Round 2. Ding, 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 ding.
Yep. Okay, I'll put a rally up. Let's see. Oh, he poured it.
He poured it. What?
Oh man.
Okay, well
now we're gonna find.
Like that.
We're gonna have to play hide and seek now. Like the fuck, dude.
Oh, come on! Are you online? Occupy the mind, bro.
Did he get personal heal? 50%?
Yeah, I think so.
I saw his archer go in. I didn't even know of such a thing.
Probably did.
it was a personal heal.
Yeah. Most likely.
Yeah, because the other guys don't have any troops.
Oh yeah, I mean if he got a 15% heal, he wouldn't be 140 bill.
Personal 50.
Yep.
Yeah. It would be. Dang.
Anyone see him?
So is there a new guy?
I'm looking. I turned my screen to landscape.
Nope, he's empty.
Just remember, I'm the noob of all noobs, you know? You gotta tell me these things.
Where are you hiding?
He's not in our hive, right?
No, he's not. I looked first.
Okay.
That would be funny if he left.
I don't think he'd have left. Like, what would be the point? He's 143.6. He's somewhere. Hiding somewhere.
He was right here, just ported. He was next to the...
Okay, 6 ports. Just keep an eye on portals.
Put a spare match checker in the portal, please. Sorry, guys.
Okay, I'm gonna pull my rings and put them in portals.
Yeah.
Yeah, then I'm gonna attack.
Well, you know, eventually we can keep following the little lines.
Yeah, the night.
Why did he get shy all of a sudden?
Right here.
All right. Let's
Oh, Buckner's 22 billion.
Oh, shit.
All right, quick range in 3, 2, 1, and range is up.
Long range. Down range, then we just scab them directly.
Is that your excuse now?
It's out. Big Siege in 3, 2, 1. Big Siege up. Yeah, almost got it. Join the siege, guys. You can solo that guy afterwards.
He's already zeroed.
We've lost 4 along the way. Who are we missing? Lumi's gone, I guess. Christo is here. Hype is gone. Can someone tag?
Well, let's keep it.
Can someone tag Lumi, Hype? And then who else are we missing?
Oh, what's her name now? I'll just add everyone.
Ari's gone as well. Let me message her.
Was Ari here today?
Yeah, she was on mine.
Oh, I didn't hear her beautiful voice. Excuse me, you little piggy dog. You do not get hits.
Okay, hype's in.
Okay. Okay. I guess I'm gonna send it like that. Yeah, fill them up with rains as well.
We can force port all the brains. There's a mine.
Hey, there's a mine on the north.
Okay, let's grab that. Last thing is him getting another personal heal.
Don't. It'll not happen. Morning again.
Hello.
Morning, take two.
It's a Groundhog Day. I feel like Bill Murray.
Yeah, he's only 143
Yeah,
now.
he got a personal heal on a mine.
Alright, big siege again in 3, 2, 1, big siege up. And a range in 3, 2, 1, range up. Okay, siege is out. And range is out. Again, big siege in 3, 2, 1, big siege up. And a range in 3, 2, 1, range up.
Oops. Okay, give me just a moment.
Yep, no worries.
I just love it when Evony says your troops are back 000 and nothing happens for a minute.
Alright, siege is out. And range is out. Again, big siege in 3, 2, 1, big siege up. And a range in 3, 2, 1, range is up. Check your March buffs, guys, because we've got 14 in, but only 107 mil. Siege is out. And range is out. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Now we need a team heal.
Again, big siege in 3, 2, 1, big siege up. And a range in 3, 2, 1, range up.
Same both.
Okay, siege is out. And range is out. Okay, his siege is all done. Maybe that's all his cav. Maybe not. Almost. Another
Yeah, range.
range in 3, 2, 1. Range is up. And a siege in 3, 2, 1. Siege is up.
Just.
Yeah, no, if we cav him now, we'll just splat.
Yeah, no. Just forget my nukes off, bro.
Okay, we got a team. We got no healing. We can do mounted or ground team.
Mounted.
Mounted team it is.
Okay. I think
You
he
can
got his
pull from
cabs now.
mine.
Yeah, he got his cabs. Just archers and ground level.
Yep. Alright, siege again in 3, 2. Come on, stuck at zeros. 1, and siege is up. Calves in 3, 2, 1. Calves are up. Just gonna hold that calf.
Excuse me.
Gonna need a couple more siege, I think. Right, siege is out. Yeah, one more and then I'm sending the cav. Siege again in 3, 2, 1. Siege is up. And it's out. Calves are out. Yeah, we can ground the rest of his range later. Jeez, they're still fucking slaughtering our calves. Alright, one more. Siege in 3, 2, 1. Siege up. And a cav in 3, 2, 1. Cav up. And a ground in 3, 2, 1. Ground up.
Oh, shit. And I joined in the wrong order. Can I quickly rechange?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Hey, cool.
You have no idea
Yeah,
how many
John.
times I do that.
At least it doesn't make you restart the game like it used to.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, whatever.
Siege is
Sucked.
out. Calves are out. And ground is out.
The intense games, I'm just glad to make it into the rally. I'm like, I don't even care what order I send it in the wrong one.
Yeah, sometimes I think if 1 or 2 out of 15 are something else, that's not a bad thing.
Cleared.
Yeah.
I'm still scared of him.
Oh, we can pull from that mine.
No, just stay in that mine. And everyone
You're the only one in there.
reinforce the rest of the mines where buffs can come to before we leave. Fucking, I'm not
Okay.
logging in again.
Yeah, good idea.
Yes.
He can have the portals and jump around if he wants.
Just put troops in the 4 mines where the buffs could come to.
Keep going now.